Lori Spensieri. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. I'm here spreading positivity and helping others to live their best lives. So join me on my journey to riches. I'll be using so many tips and tricks that I've collected on my way to preparing for this journey. If you're intrigued by anything that you've heard or seen, please give a thumbs up. And also click that subscribe button. You don't want to miss it when I have a giant breakthrough and money starts falling from the ceiling. The video will represent day 40 to 45 of my path to riches. I want to tell you all about 5 things that I've been able to manifest into my life since starting this journey about 40 days ago. Okay, number 1, I've become more confident, happy, and outgoing. Number 2, I'm more in touch with, in control of, and aware of my emotions, both positive and negative. Number 3, I manifested an email from my publisher that my book is in its final stages of formatting. Number 4, my children are going to bed earlier and I'm way calmer and happier around them and with them. Number 5, a lot of dimes, quarters, loonies. Next will be bigger pieces of money. The next thing that I want to tell you about is my experience with antidepressants and my use of the law of attraction. I recently reduced my dose of Effexor from 150 milligrams to 75 milligrams to 37.5 milligrams. Effexor is a short half-life SSRI designed to treat depression and anxiety. I decided to reduce the dose as I was having suicidal ideation, unfortunately. I wanted to let you guys know I did a short PSA on suicide prevention that was released yesterday, which was Bell Let's Talk Day. I experienced some withdrawal from reducing the medication, but I'm coping well and I'm not ready right now, and I'm also not condoning getting off your medication, so always speak to your doctor first. Together you decide what's best for you. Since reducing my medication, I've been able to do these 3 things. Okay, so first off, I'm manifesting faster. I can think of a person and I will see them literally like 24 to 48 hours later. I'm able to manifest finding dimes, quarters, butterflies, coffees, parking spots, anything that I can think of. Life is becoming more of a video game and I like it. Like I can order something into the universe. Secondly, I'm manifesting ideas very quickly and often. Lots of ideas. I keep a list of ideas for books, businesses, videos, artwork, greeting cards, inventions, anything you can think of. My family's getting sick of hearing these ideas, but it's all good. The universe made me do it. Thirdly, since reducing my medication, I'm able to manifest better social interactions. I'm having better conversations, etc. I'll do a short video soon about my experience with medication and how it affects my ability to manifest with the law of attraction. There's too much to say in this video and I don't want to get off topic. My next video of my path to riches will be day 46 to 50. Stay tuned. I'm going to have a breakthrough, people. Okay, now did you guys know that I have a Facebook group dedicated to positivity and happiness? It's called AB Positive. It's not huge, but the members are one of a kind. And I'm just gonna do a quick shout out to 3 of the members. Okay, so hi Jayla, hi Dimple, and hi Alistair, guys. Thank you so much for being in my group. You're such amazing, positive people. I will be doing 3 more shout outs during each video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm grateful to every single one of you. Without you, I'm just talking to myself. Have a wonderful day and be positive.